Hey everybody, Small from 85 here, and we are taking another look at the 1960s, 1970s Vignelli side roll sign from the IND BMT. And this time we're gonna have to unroll it so we can check out all these colors in their combined glory. So I'm doing this one a little further back. So I think it's really cool to see all the colors and how they combined. Oh, I just kicked the sign. The double J, got the painted over KK via 6th Avenue. It's a very good example of that. M Express, M via 6th Avenue. Look at that. Oh, see the QJ? It's just a J. Before cracking out right. Oh, there you go, I got the TT. That's it. And that's the sign, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty cool to see everything just kind of blending together, all the colors blending together. Pretty awesome sign. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next one. You guys take care. Be safe.